Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I will teach you computer science of grade 4. So students, today we are going to continue our third chapter, that is about input and output devices. Today we will learn about output devices. Let me tell you what is output devices. Students, an output devices is any device used to send data from a computer to another device or user. Most computer data output that is meant for humans is in the form of audio or video. Most output devices used by human are in these categories. For example, monitor, projectors, speakers, headphones and printers. Well, the output devices shows the result of work done by the computer. Some of the common output devices are as follows. First of all, let me tell you about monitor. Monitor is the most commonly used output device. It displays both text and pictures. Monitor is also known as Visual Display Unit VDU. LCD monitors and plasma monitors are used nowadays. A computer monitor is an electronic device that shows pictures for computers. Monitors often look similar to television. The main difference between a monitor and a television is that a monitor does not have a television tuner to change channels. Monitor often have higher display resolution than television. Okay, what is the use of a monitor? Monitor is a display screen used to provide visual output from a computer, cable box, video camera, VCR or other video generating device. Computer monitors use CRT and LCD technology, while TV monitors use CRT, LCD and plasma technologies. We already discussed about it. So, what are the functions of the monitor of the computer? Well, a computer monitor is a display adapter that displays information processed by the computer's video card. When a video card or graphics card convert binary information from ones and zeros into images, these images are displayed onto the directly connected monitor. Okay, move to next one is printer. A printer provides information on the paper that we introduce. The printed copy of the output from the printer is known as a hard copy. Hard copy has data and pictures or even figures on it. Well, students, a printer is a device that accepts text and graphic output from a computer and transfers the information to paper, usually to standard size sheets of paper. Printers vary in size, speed, sophistication and cost. In general, more expensive printers are used for higher resolution color printing. Okay, let me tell you about how does a printer work. In short, printers work by converting digital images and text into physical copies. They do this using a driver or a specialized software that has been designed to convert the file into a language that the printer can understand. The image or text is then recreated onto the page using a series of minuscule dots. Okay, what are the two main types of printer? Let me tell you about main types of printer. Two types of printers are impact and non-impact printers. Impact printers can produce a page, a line, or a character at a time, while non-impact printers can produce both text and graphics. Okay, move to next. Next one is speaker. Speakers allow you to hear sounds from the computer. Well, a speaker is a term used to describe the user who is giving vocal commands to a software program. A computer speaker is an output hardware device that connects to a computer to generate sound. The signal used to produce the sound that comes from the computer speakers created by the computer's sound card. Okay, how do speakers work? Let me tell you about working of speakers. Speakers are made up of a cone, an iron coil, a magnetic and housing case. When the speaker received electrical input from a device, it sent the current through the causing it to move back and forth. This motion then vibrates the outer cone, generating sound waves picked up by our ears. Okay, why do we need computer speakers? Well, external speakers are connected to a computer or another device to give the sound more amplification, make it louder, add more bass with a subwoofer, or create surround sound. If you have a laptop, smartphone, or an other device with built-in speakers, you do not need external speakers unless you need louder sounds, more bass, or surrounded sound. So these are some output devices which we discussed briefly in our lecture. Well, I am sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully there will be no confusion. And one more important thing, I have a home task for you. First question is, write the names of any two output devices. Question number 2 is, name any two types of monitor used nowadays. And next one is, define the following. First one is monitor, second one is printer, and third one is speakers. Well, you will get all the answers of these questions from this lecture. So that's the end of my lecture. And one more thing, you will solve the question answers on your notebook. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.